Okay, so hey guys, I know I've been slacking with a lot of the food content and a lot of the weight loss content, so today I am definitely coming with a very quick video. It is going to be an idea for a vegan dinner. I'm just doing one for this video just to see if you guys are at all interested in what I eat now that I've kind of like switched the way I eat. So I was pescatarian first and then I switched over to vegan, and I'm still kind of like in transition because I have like my bouts where I'm like, I kind of miss seafood. But I'm gonna show you my vegan meal. I don't know why I always look up. I'm gonna show you my vegan meal right now. Let me not talk too much. So typically I buy my pita bread from John's, which is like a Middle Eastern grocery store, because it's really good prices and it's a really fat pita. But when I don't actually feel like driving there, because Trader Joe's is somewhat closer, I'll just go to Trader Joe's and I'll get their pita, and this is their whole 100% stone ground whole wheat. Trader Joe's pita breads are pockets, so typically I just open them up like so, nothing fancy. For today's hummus, I'll be using this Brothers Products hummus. I get whatever hummus I have at the time, but this is what I have now, and it's roasted garlic. That's my favorite type of hummus. So typically I take about a tablespoon and I use this as like kind of like my sauce, I guess. The falafel that I use is the fully cooked Trader Joe's falafel. It takes about like 10 minutes just to heat up, and it is vegan to my knowledge. So I just use this, and yeah, we're gonna take this out the oven shortly. Then I take some baby arugula, and I try to get my greens organic now, but not every time, but these are organic. I take about a handful, and then I just lay that down. You also could use spinach and lettuce, of course, but I just prefer arugula for this. I don't know why. Now that the falafel is done, it looks like this. I'm just gonna place the falafel in the wrap. Then I take about a handful of cherry tomatoes and I cut these in half. Then I just take half of a large avocado, sprinkle just a little bit of black pepper, and then just add a dash of sea salt. And this is it. This is my dinner. I will eat this as a pita pocket. So this is gonna be my dinner. And if you guys wanna see more vegan friendly dinners, like quick meals, or not even just quick meals, but just vegan meals in general, I think I'll start doing more videos like that. Just leave a comment below and let me know that you actually wanna keep seeing it. And I'll do that. I'll do it. This was just a quick test run, but yeah, I'm super excited. I love this, I love it, love it. So I'm literally just gonna fold this over, and that is my sandwich.